What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download languages on Google Translate app. So as you can see here, I'm in the app guys, and let's say I would like to download, for example, a second language that I would like to translate to. I'm going to type, for example, in English. So I'm going to type, for example, hello, and you can see right here that I have that translated into Czech. Now what if I want to do this to another language? I need to download a language. So let's choose French, for example. All I have to do is simply tap the download icon towards the right hand side of any language, and it's going to pop up and it's going to give me the option to download. I'm going to tap on download, and that's how I will be able to download that language. Keep in mind that you can always use a language without, but downloading the language is going to ensure that you have this readily available on your phone. So all you have to do is just simply wait for the download process to complete, and you should have that language pack installed on your Google Translate app. So let's just allow it a moment and to download the language on our phone. And there you have it guys, the French language is now downloaded. Now once you have a language downloaded on your phone, as you can see, a check mark now appears instead of the downloaded icon, and that's how easy it is. So you can always select a language and you can switch between the two. And as you can see, once I have the language downloaded, I can switch and I can use the language. And that's very easy and very simple.